Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on an exciting journey of transforming dated spaces into modern havens. 12 budget-friendly ways to update a dated home without remodeling or without breaking the bank. If you're a homeowner looking to revamp your living quarters, but a full-blown remodel seems out of reach, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore a treasure trove of affordable and creative solutions to update your home without the hassle of a major renovation. From ingenious DIY hacks to budget-friendly design tips, we've got you covered. So grab your notepads and get ready to discover how you can refresh your dated home and give it a whole new lease on life. Let's get started. Number 1, rethink the fireplace. A fixture like this may be putting a damper on your home. This can be as simple as painting old red brick a refreshing white, deep navy, or another fitting shade. Fireplaces can also be retiled, another great place for pulling out that handy peel and stick tile. For those that are no longer functioning or didn't have the capacity to burn in the first place, try filling with books, similarly sized wooden logs, or a small electric warmer. Number 2, lay low-cost flooring in laundries and mudrooms. There was vinyl tile before the advent of the resilient sheet flooring and plastic laminate planks. Originally produced as an alternative to linoleum, vinyl tile grew in popularity because it was colorful, easy to clean, and crack-resistant. The 12-inch tiles come in dozens of colors, patterns, and textures, making it easy to create checkerboard designs and floors with contrasting borders. Here, we'll show you the right way to use self-adhesive tiles for a professional-looking and durable floor. Number 3, prevent mold growth with a bathroom vent fan. Installing a ventilating fan in your bath does more than eliminate fogged-up windows, steamy mirrors, and stale odors. It also helps prevent moisture-related problems, such as mold and mildew growth, which can be costly to remove and lead to health problems. Avoid all of that with this affordable upgrade. Number 4, ceiling fans for summer and winter savings. The popularity of ceiling fans continues to grow as more and more homeowners discover dramatic, year-round energy savings. In summer, ceiling fans create cooling breezes, which reduce the strain on air conditioners. In winter, they circulate heated air to keep the room warm. Number 5, add mirrors and artwork. Mirrors can make small spaces appear larger and reflect light, brightening up your home. Strategically placed mirrors can be an affordable way to update your decor. Additionally, consider adding artwork or wall decals to create a focal point and add a touch of personality to your rooms. Number 6, upgrade interior doorknobs. Again, these had actually all been recently replaced in our home before we purchased. They do so much for making the house feel polished. Number 7, mount your televisions and hide cords. Wall mounting a TV makes a world of difference in terms of having it be visually pleasing. And while this is nowhere near a renovation, it certainly upgrades a home. I also stress hiding the cords after you are done. It goes a long way in polishing off the look. Number 8, replace bath hardware. An outdated bathroom typically requires a gut renovation, but that involves a lot of time and money. One small way to add value without a full-on makeover is to change the existing hardware on the cabinets and the sink fixtures to polish up the room. Swapping from chrome to gold can give the room a whole new vibe. Replacing the shower faucet will also instantly lend the bathroom a spa-like feel. Number 9, swap window treatments. New windows can make a huge impact visually and energy-wise in your home. That's why they're a sweet selling point. However, that will be a hefty investment of several $1,000s. If your current windows are in relatively good condition and you don't have the budget to replace them, the next best thing is to level up your window treatments. There are a wide variety of more modern blinds and shades, in addition to different styles of curtains, from sheers and patterns to blackout drapes, that have major transformative powers. Don't overlook your home's exterior. If your current shutters are faded, splintering, or otherwise damaged, a set of new ones will seriously amp up the curb appeal. Number 10. Upgrade your lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and ambiance of your home. Replace old, dingy fixtures with modern and energy-efficient alternatives. Consider adding pendant lights or chandeliers in key areas to make a statement. You can also install dimmer switches to create adjustable lighting for different occasions. Number 11. Install built-in bookshelves. One thing homebuyers are always on the lookout for: more storage. And nothing creates a more striking focal point in a room in your home than a built-in bookshelf. Sure, a detached bookshelf can get the job done, but it doesn't do much to add value to a house like a built-in bookshelf made of high-quality wood can. It's a practical way to bring beauty and elegance to a room, especially when they are surrounding a fireplace. Whether you decide to do it yourself or hire a contractor, there are plenty of cool ways to build bookshelves in your home. Number 12. Create custom storage areas. In addition to installing shelving, it may be a good idea to add storage in various areas of your home. Such areas will allow you to put away items that are seasonal, such as holiday decorations and blankets. Consider turning areas under the stairs into custom storage areas. You can also hide that excess Tupperware that keeps falling out of your cabinets every time you open them. Another option is to build seating that has a storage component. Such seating works well if you have a bay window in your home. This area could serve as extra storage and a great place to enjoy the sun. If you need more storage but need space, you may want to consider adding custom storage that allows you to hide things. Conclusion: updating a dated home doesn't have to drain your savings or disrupt your life with extensive remodeling. By implementing these affordable tips, you can give your home a modern facelift and create a more inviting and comfortable living space. Whether it's a fresh coat of paint, updated fixtures, or simple decluttering, these budget-friendly changes can make a world of difference in transforming your dated home into a modern sanctuary. Start your journey towards a refreshed home today. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you never miss out on more for home decor content in the future. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What did you find most valuable in today's video? Let's start a conversation. Until next time, bye, take care.